This model kit review is of the North American Harvard, the Mark IV, and it is a 1/48 scale model by ModelCraft. This plane is very similar to the Texan, and this was used for training. It has a distinctive yellow look, and they get built as Harvards and Texans in the United States. So, let's have a look on the back here, no details over there. Let's have a look inside and see what we have. It is a very yellow plane. So here we have our canopy, fairly well molded. These are our wings, all recessed panel and rivet lines, which is amazing. It's actually fairly well molded, these details. And we have engine parts with some flashing though, some landing gear, tail gear. Here's our propeller hub, and the engine parts flaps. Here we have our fuselage and crankcase, as well as fuel rods, stabilizers, tail, propeller. Here's our cowling, instrument panel there, good level of detail, very nicely molded. Let's look at a few loose pieces here, and it has been started. So here is our cockpit. Look at that detail. And then we have our wheels. And looks like an extra wheel maybe. Okay, let's have a look at our decals. Here are the decals. Actually a lot of decals here. Lots of different options. They're nicely printed. Here's the painting and decal guide. This is for the display team, all the different versions. It's the Canadian version. Let's have a look at our instructions now. So we start off with our cockpit, which has been done already. Just needs to be painted. That's all then put inside the fuselage. With the instrument panel, we build the engine. And put the wings together, flaps, tail, stabilizer. And then next to put the landing gear on, and then the canopy. And here's another paint and decal guide. This is for the it's the same as the other side. This is the non-performance version. So all in all, a fair amount of detail, nicely molded, some good decals. This is actually a really good model.